This tutorial outlines how to create article citations from a periodical in NoodleTools. Periodical sources include magazines, newspapers, and academic journals. Unlike book citations, which can be directly imported from WorldCat, articles need to be copied into NoodleTools. On the library homepage, under Research and Citation Guides, you will find a collection of NoodleTools print tutorials and screencasts. This tutorial will cover the same information found in the NoodleTools Article Citations Guide. I will begin by logging into my NoodleTools account. If you have not created an account, please consult the directions found in the registration PDF or screencast. I will search for articles in the database Project Muse for the New Deal Wagner Act, which created the National Labor Relations Board in 1935 and gave unions the ability to collective bargain. In the left-hand column, I'm going to filter by articles. I will select this article as long as there survives, contemplating the Wagner Act after 80 years. To cite this article in NoodleTools, first I'm going to select New Source. If an article is a digital copy of the original print version found in PDF, not HTML, use Print or in Hand and Journal. For articles from a database found in HTML format, use Database and Journal. Let's go look at my article again. When I click Download, it's going to show me what format it looks like. As we can see, this is in PDF format with the article scanned in with the page numbers. Therefore, I will click Print and Journal. Sometimes databases will give you citations you can paste in. However, manually putting in all the information yourself ensures that you will be able to use footnotes features when it comes to papers. These are incredibly helpful when you're doing lots of research. We encourage you to fill in these fields based on the information from our article. From this, we can tell that the article title is As Long as There Survives, Contemplating the Wagner Act After 80 Years. Joseph A. McCartin is the author of this article. It came from the journal Labor, Studies in Working Class Histories of the Americas. This would be volume number 14 and issue number 2. The date is May 2017, and this was printed pages 21 through 42. Copying and pasting is usually the quickest way to enter in all this information. After you filled in all the information that you can, click Save so it will save your citation. As you can see, you now have one citation from a journal article. In another tutorial, we'll dive into footnotes, but for now, I want you to see that when you click Options, it will give you a box that says Footnote Format. These will be extremely helpful when you're writing a research paper. As always, feel free to ask any of the librarians if you have any questions.